In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change a keyframe on a live photo on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. The best way to find all your live photos in one place is tap right here to go to Albums. And once you are at Albums, just scroll down until you find live photos. As you can see, I got 86 live photos. Basically, guys, that is auto-generated album which contains all the live photos from my camera roll, and we can tap on it to get into it. After that, we can tap at any photo to open it up to actually play it, because live photo is kind of a short video, about half second or less. And then if we would like to change the keyframe, that is the keyframe, we can easily do so. To do that, tap right here at Edit. Then down below, tap at Live. And after that, we'll be able to select any frame from that live photo, and we can use it as a keyframe. To do that, just tap right here where it says Make Key Photo, and then to save the changes, tap at Done. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.